this game is old, but somehow the mouse still breaks on modern Windows PCs. And as you guys can see right here, in the main menu I literally cannot click anything with my mouse. The only thing working is the enter key on the keyboard. And then once we load into the game, look at this, I can walk around perfectly fine, but the mouse camera is completely dead. I can't rotate, can't look around, nothing. And now most videos tell you to download DLL files, install mods, do weird patches, but honestly you don't need any of that. The fix that worked for me was actually super easy. All you want to do is hold both the left click and the right click on your mouse at the same time. Then move your mouse around while walking in the game. Look at that, the mouse starts working again. Now I can freely move the camera and actually play the game normally. It's honestly such a weird fix, but somehow it worked. Also, if that doesn't work for you, try pressing the escape key first, then hold left click and right click together again and move the mouse. For some people that fixes it instantly. So yeah, hopefully this helped you out and saved you some time.